Hey guys, it's Ashley, Carolina Trailer Sales, carolinatrailersales.com. We're located in Pine Hall, North Carolina. We are by appointment only, and you can best reach me at 828-773-4500. So, this is a quite unique trailer. So this is a Kiefer 2015, and this is an 8-wide, 4-horse, 8-foot short wall. Does not have a living quarters. It is fully lined and insulated. It has an air conditioning unit. It does have a hay rack. It does have a ladder, aluminum wheels, all aluminum. Does have the pull-out step at the dressing room door because there is no LQ. Someone can make a phenomenal LQ out of this though. Again, it's an 8-foot short wall, has a spare hydraulic jack. The trailer is in excellent shape. All aluminum. It does have mangers. I've got the drop-down windows down, but it's got 3 manger doors underneath those windows, an escape door. Got the extrusion on the back, which is the ribbed aluminum there above. Let me just shut these windows and I can open the manger here. So it's got storage all the way through. So that goes all the way through there. So this trailer has a lot of potential. If you went to order this trailer today in a shell like this, I can't even imagine how much this would be. So if someone's wanting a really nice 8-wide and I know somebody that can do an interior in it, that's very reasonable. So there are a lot of options with this trailer. If you horse show and you need a ton of space for carrying all your tack trunks and things like that, the front of this trailer is huge. So it would work great for a horse show person. So again, 4-horse, 8-foot short wall, 8 wide. I'm going to tell you the height here in a minute. I'm pretty sure it's 7'6". So rear tack, 4 saddle racks there, bridle hooks. It is not hurt. Let me just tell you, the horse box doesn't even look like it's really had horses in it. I mean, there's no tears, there's no dings, the paddings, it looks brand new in here. So airflow dividers, mangers, which I've already told you. It does have a lower divider. The walls are insulated. The roof is not. It does have roof vents. It does have a walk-through door. So I mean, like I said, it's a shell, but and actually the front is finished a little bit. I'm getting ready to show you that, but it is a shell, but it has a lot of potential. You can camp in this trailer. I mean, you can put a mattress in it and you can sleep in it. It just has no water. It's got an air conditioning unit. It is fully lined and insulated in the front and does have a floor in it. So horse box, immaculate. So let me kind of come out and show you this front. So every once in a while I'll get these unique trailers, and this would fall into the category of unique. All right, so one thing I'll point out, I see it now. There's a little dent right here. You can kind of see it when I kind of angle the camera, but it's not causing any issues. It does have a camper door with a screen. So it does have that. It does have capability for electricity. So as you can see, it's got a floor that was professionally done. The floor is in. It does have a tray for hat boxes and a clothes rack. The walls are all insulated from the factory. The ceiling's insulated as well. It does have an air conditioning unit, walk-through door. You got bridle hooks there on either side. So I'm going to kind of come over here where a shower would be and just show you. And I'm in expanded, so I'm going to take it out of that in just a second. But you can see it's pretty much set up to be a living quarters. And it's by far, let me step back here. It may be 7'8" tall. It's definitely 7'6". So again, you can camp in this trailer. You know, you can sleep in it. You just don't have any water. But it is fully lined and insulated from the factory. So I'll take it off expanded to kind of give you an idea. Let me kind of back up. Well, that really doesn't help. Anyway, trailer's in excellent shape. It's a little unique in what it is. 2015 Kiefer, 8 wide, 8 foot short wall, 4 horse. So if you're looking for a 4 horse, here's a great option of one. Wanting a horse show trailer, camping trailer that you want to get started. Again, I do know somebody that can do an interior in this trailer that's very reasonable. So anyway, reach out, call me separately. We'll talk about it. 828-773-4500. This is Ashley, Carolina Trailer Sales. We are located in Pinehall, North Carolina. We greatly appreciate all your support. Please subscribe. You guys have a great day.